9 in the morning and I just got school because, I woke up late because of, so yeah. I'm here with Bia!
And here are our K-pop friends. Say hi, YouTube.
Bagong K-pop
We really like K-pop.
Yeah. This is Sarah and Paula.
This is Paula.
Paula Bear. Yeah, so yeah, you can see my outfit right there.
So we have a free Wi-Fi right here.
Yeah,
Wi-Fi right now. Oh my God, I saw it.
it's illegal, charot. Napapansin ko yung art ko doon, naiinis ako. Charot. Charot. So yeah, we don't have a professor right now. I'm so lucky. Lucky me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna hang out with Isa again later.
Why?
After school. Because it's near my house and
I wanna go.
you wanna go? It's so fun. We're gonna cook ata and then we're gonna bake.
Is that a condo?
No, it's a house talaga. It's a huge house. Tapos silang dalawa lang. Sino si Isa? Dati Isa. Sabi ko nga hindi mo sinabi sa akin, dati sana patulog ko, tsaka yung gamit na paghakot. Dito siya. Tapos feeling ko, papayagan na mag-overnight. One scoop from powder. Sabi ko na tayo.
We miss you, Mika.
Mika, I miss you. Sorry if I cheated on you yesterday.
Take care. Okay, don't let yourself get harmed. Just take care. Show everybody. Show everybody.
Oh wait, we're gonna show you our classmates. Our whole class. So this is Pet 2. Right there. So we're gonna show you how to take pictures of yourself when you're bored. So we is gonna demonstrate it to you, okay? First thing, Sarah, why? Sige na, Sarah na lang. Meron pa ako isang vlog. Di ba guys, I showed you yesterday how to cover your paper, the teacher's prayer paper in the notebook. Yeah, I showed you.
Video.
Yeah, video vlog. Yeah, I feel like a vlogger now. So yeah.
Like right now?
Right now, yeah, right now. Yes. There's Eza and Pepe. Say hi, YouTube. So we're gonna start with Via. How to take pictures, Oh yeah, when you're bored, like that.
Let me show you the person. Done. What? Tuturo sa inyo kung paano yung
Oh, tanga. Tagalog na lang tayo.
Hi, YouTube!
Turong sa inyo kung ano yung pinakamadalas na ginagawang pagpipicture. Una. Picture, guys! Repeat ko lang. 1, 2, 3. So, mali lang yan. Isa na naman, diba? Yan yung pinakamadalas na ginagawa ng pagpipicture. Sinipit yung bawat picture.
Second. So, well, sa akin na kayo matutunan pag di ganito. Pag bored pero pag yung matinong picture naman.
Ginawa niya
Well, but when you're bored, yun na lang.
Pinasok niya yung phone niya dun sa...
Pero ang pinaka-boring.
Like there. So yeah, there's my armpit. Dito ka bored.
Ano yung pinaka-boring?
Photo bomb. Oh,
Kasi tayo.
you have to leave the pala. So we're gonna, gonna take you like like a quick tour around our hallway. Like, where do we go from room to room? Wait. So I'm just gonna get my bag. So this is my bag for today. I used it yesterday. So her bag is like that there.
My bag. It's very schooly.
Yeah. Because me, I have to go somewhere later. It's Chile's. So we're gonna go to our next class. Vlogging. We're gonna go to our next class. But hi! That's Essen.
Hello.
So yeah.
Continue for the tour.
Ano tayo? Quick tour of Rico.
Something.
Okay. Sana walang prof. Tsaka there. Oh, this is Tere, our, president. Anong year yun?
Second year.
Say hi. Hi! So, we're taking you to our next class. Yeah. Sorry, vlogger friend ko. This is my vlogger friend today.
May bago na naman tayong group.
Wala kasi si Mika eh.
Kaya wala si Mika, wala yung vlogger BFF ko. We're gonna go up.
What three stairs?
Nasaan
There's
si
the stairs.
Tops?
Yeah.
This is how you walk the
Tinawag
stairs.
si Tops.
Yeah. Ito yung stairs na.
This is how you climb the stairs. Walk like that. With your 2 feet and your 2 legs. And you pass by different people.
Yeah.
So, dito na kami sa lab.
Nasa lobby na kami. Ito, yan. It's 9.
Right there. You see the lobby right there? This is Saint Joseph of Calais. Say hi!
Say hi! Ah, 8 to 5 tayo. Yung maingin na klase na lang. Lagi ang benta kagabi, te. Nag-vlog ako.
This is the view from the 3rd floor. That's Father Roy right there. Say hi! Say hi!
Ayun na. So, our next room is room 325. And this is rude. Taga-Bulacan pa siya. Ang tiyaga niyang umuwi. Ayan. This is our Korean friend. Oh, wait. I'm gonna introduce you to our, neighbors. Mga taga-eng. Yung mga pogi. Charot.
Wala kayang
Ay, walang pogi pala. Joke. Wait lang, nagkaklase sila. Nakakahiya. Nag-vlog tayo. Wait lang. Oo nga. Sabi nga, say hi. So, we're here na in the classroom. So, yeah. Say hi. This is Andy and Erica.
Hi!
You met them vlogging again for their school.
Sa everyday.
Yeah, everyday. Yeah,
I think it's this one. Last time, it was Wednesday. Hi! Did you vlog yesterday?
no, sa mga nag-atis. So,
Say hi to my
Sir Buhay again. You saw them Thursday, Tuesday, di ba? Oh my God, please. So, I'm not with Mika right now. Mika is not here. Mika, I miss you so much. So, I'm gonna take you to the engineering building. So, Ian's gonna, accompany me to the people lang, just window lang, maybe. We're gonna go out the classroom.
holding up my...
Oh, sorry. Sorry naman. So there, we're gonna go to the Eng. With SN and Ian.
Ayan yung mga taong CR, mga taong kubet.
Ayan, mga taong kubeta. Here they are. Yes, Dan Maris and Jess. Hi!
Pakita mo yung egg.
Yes, the Eng. May prof sila eh. Ayun yung Eng. Hindi kami nakakita ng pogi minsan. Pagdadaan kami, mag-ay lang kami.
Onti na sila kasi marami na na-devour.
Ay, ba?
Joke.
So yun, isi hi!
Hi.
Wait, hindi. Ah! Here's my BFF pala.
Oh,
So, I'm vlogging. Okay, hi! Kasi ulit ako nagising, you know?
Bakit ka nagising? Saan ka umuwi?
Umuwi ako ng bahay.
Di ba maganda?
Hindi na ako kagabi ng church. Yeah. So sweet of you, Pao. Thanks. So, I'm here again with Isa. Ikaw gusto mo pupunta mamaya? Gusto mo sa mamaya? Sa... Kakain kami ng kaibigan ko sa Ate Eva's.
Anong oras?
Lunchtime, pagka-uwi.
Mauna na ako.
Bakit? Naigalit ka na naman.
Hindi, kasi wala akong class, di ba? Wala akong, ano yun?
Ano bang ano?
Wala akong yung teaching profession.
Bakit? Sabag isa ako uuwi mamaya. Lang yun.
Mag-try ka na.
Ay, naku. Pero maganda ka daw kasi
Wow.
na-influensya niya. Yun.
Kasi
So, hindi pa na kayo makakapag-vlog mamaya. Kasi wala siya. Anyway, bye. Iniwan. Ayun na.
Asan si, ano,
Sino?
si Pao na.
Si Pao. Pao, saan ka daw? Sa bahay ka, di ba? Ay, wait na.